different. This one is actually in production. So I'm going to go into our AI assistant, and I'm going to say, find me our CSA with Guitar Center. So Blobby now has access in our instance to a document search. The document search contains all of our customer agreements currently. So this search found the agreement with Guitar Center. Unfortunately, the linking capability doesn't work in Blobby right now. So I'll just pop over to the workbook and go to, like I said, currently just customer agreements, but I think the possibilities here are endless. This is leveraging, so I'll show you a little bit about how this is working right now. Well, first I wrote this ETL script to pull all of our agreement PDFs out of Common Paper. Then I came over here to Snowflake. I loaded those into a Snowflake stage. I used Snowflake's Cortex parse documents to parse them all into text. And then I loaded them all into a table and then and actually chunk them. So it's like 500 word chunks. And then I created a Cortex search service on top of that chunk table to enable a search. So it's actually really cool. I did, the searching for a specific contract is super cool. I'm also in the process of like trying to find all of the emails referenced in all of our agreements. And Cortex search is actually not great for that, but I have all the chunks of text in a table now, so I can just run a regex for all the emails. So kind of having that parse PDF is super valuable for a variety of reasons. This is currently kind of hacked into Omni. It is a query view. Here, I'll show you what it actually looks like. Just super quick. It is, oops, sorry, that is. So here's the query view, and it uses a templated filter to actually parse the query, or excuse me, to pass the query into this kind of gnarly Snowflake special call. So I think there may be some ways that we want to make this more of a first class thing down the line, but this proof of concept, like I think we've talked sort of about building kind of a DIY Glean. It's basically what I did here, and honestly, it was not hard at all. So I think there's some real interesting opportunities here.